Hey y'all, it's me Azalea. You're watching my YouTube channel, WayCrunchy. Today's video is going to be a clean with me video. Y'all, I done lived through the Arctic blast. I thought all our pipes were going to freeze and break. Our heater broke during the middle of the Arctic blast. But now, because the weather is crazy, it's going to be in the 50s today. We went from single digits to now being in the 50s. But my little seasonal affective disorder self is feeling fabulous with these freaking 50s. So today I'm going to get stuff done. Also, I survived the holidays. Holiday season is stressful and busy, and there's just like 59 sides to all of our families, and I'm just like, whew, we done did that. Now it's back to the regularly scheduled programming. Cooking, cleaning, child rearing, and finishing up this fixer-upper. Alright, so I'm going to pour some boiling water over my chopping board, my vegetable peeler, my sink sponge, my sink strainer, my sink plug. All these things are getting boiling water, a little sanitization. got behind on everything during this holiday season. So there's like holidays, you know, and having gifts and giving gifts. And then I thought that we might potentially be like moving into the Fixer Upper. And so I wanted to be as ready for that as possible. And then, you know, that the contractor work just one day was silly. It ain't done still. So I was stressed about that. Our heater kept breaking here in the barn. I was stressed about that because it was very, very cold. Today is beautiful. And I was stressed about our pipes freezing in the new house and still having to like visit people while all this was going down. I was behind on everything. And then like I felt anxious. I felt so anxious and overwhelmed. I'm pregnant. I'm pregnant as can be. Yeah, it was stressful. And so all of the holiday festivities turned out to be really nice and lovely, just like stress. Sometimes stress can be good things too. It's not always bad things stressing you out. Sometimes it's just like you're busy. And so I have been sleeping in. Oh my God. So the last stop on our holiday circuit was my parents' house. And that was really lovely. They got John a mandolin for Christmas. Now, he doesn't play the mandolin, but he has such a good feel for string instruments and music and stuff. So I'm just so excited. And he's been practicing, and I'm excited about that. And they got me a big rocking chair, a big new wood rocking chair, because I'm going to have a baby. We rock our babies. And then also I'm going to have a big front porch again. So I'll have a nice rocker for my front porch and a rocker to rock my baby in. Yeah, my mom said something like, I was like, I can't believe I'm doing this again, you know, having a baby. And she's like, yes, we just got rid of all the baby stuff and then you made another one. They used to keep like a crib and stuff at their house for the kids. So yeah, I got so behind on laundry. But let me tell you, yesterday, I don't take days off because I have children. My whole WayCrunchy thing is like I'm my boss. So I want to work all the time on WayCrunchy. I want to work all the time on the Fixer Upper. And I want to work all the time on raising children and housekeeping. So I never take a true day off. Y'all probably getting curious about this. This is my new baby. So yes, it has been stressful, but yeah, yesterday I took a true day off. Now for me, that means sleeping in. I didn't meet, nor the children had to be anywhere. And you know, part of having a little bit older children is you gotta chauffeur them around places. And so yesterday was just so nice, so nice. I didn't have anywhere I really had to be. The children didn't have anywhere they really had to be. And it was just so nice to have a home day. Like, I was like, I have no ambition to leave this house. I don't have it in me to do nothing at that Fixer Upper. I don't have it in me to go grocery shopping. I don't have it in me to do nothing. Now, John likes a lot of recreation. Like, let's go to the park. Let's go this place or that place. What are we doing for New Year's Eve? I don't want to do nothing for New Year's Eve. Nothing. So yesterday was just true day off. I was not pressured to have recreation, special festivities. It was just a normal day off. You want to know what I did? I did laundry. I actually love to do laundry and hang it out on the line. I ain't been able to hang my clothes out on the line because it's been below freezing. Your clothes do not dry when it's below freezing. So laundry's just been piling up in the house through the whole Arctic blast. And so I did laundry yesterday. It soothed my soul. I didn't worry about filming. My son Tom helps me a lot with that. I hung out with my children. I made a big pot of soup from scratch, lentil vegetable soup. I love to make a pot of soup. I love to do, after I made that pot of soup, did I even worry about doing the dishes? No. It was a day off. I like making soup. I like doing laundry. I played chess with Tom. Tom likes to play chess. He got a chess set for my parents for Christmas. I played chess with him. Zinni was putting together her new puzzles she got for Christmas and solstice. John played chess with Tom. We watched like a documentary about dinosaurs. Like yesterday was a day off and it was lovely. And I think it revived my soul a little bit because today I'm more like, all right, I'm to-do list oriented today. Yesterday, it was just like whatever feels restful and peaceful. I swear, I don't remember the last time I took a true day off. Whew. I definitely think, I can't really tell if I'm an introvert or an extrovert, but I need a lot of time at home. I need a lot of time just with immediate family, and I need a lot of time with just my own self. I like to be all alone, like recharge my battery. Maybe I'm introverted. I like to talk a lot. I like to film videos, but I need time alone, time where I structure my own time. It's not based on any obligations outside of me. I like to be in charge of my schedule. I like to be in control. So today I'm happy as a clam to be doing what I want to do, get this house in order. Messy house is a messy mind, and I've been feeling that lately.